Hello everyone, today at Winjet we'll be installing the smoked Renegade taillights onto this gorgeous GT350. Now as you can tell, this is the 2015 to a 2017 style, however they fit from the 2015 all the way to a 2020. All models, including this GT350, the GT500, the Bullet, and the Mach 1, which is yet to be released. Now installation is super easy. It's all plug and play, and all you need are these 10mm sockets. Let's get to it! Okay, so first we'll be removing the 4 screws that's located on the back of the trunk, right here and right there, and same thing on the other side. This will hold the back piece together. For this piece, lift and pull up to remove. And this doesn't have to come off, it can just stay like that. So what we're doing is we're going to flip this open and we're going to have to remove 3 screws with a 10mm socket. Make sure that this is a long one, otherwise it will not fit and it will not reach. Second one and the third one will be located right in the back right there. Alright, next we're going to unplug the light, which is right here. Press that tab and pull up. And there we go. And the light should pop right out. And what's holding it is this rubber piece, the rubber gasket, that all you gotta do is remove it, like so. And the light is on. So let's go ahead and grab the light, Renegade by Winjet. And what you're gonna do first, you're gonna feed this line through the existing hole, like so. And make sure that gets plugged up tight. All you gotta do is insert it back into the hole, match up all the holes. Alright, after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna screw it in first. So work on the 3 existing screws. Alright, next just plug it into the factory harness, like so. There we go, that's one side down. Make sure you tuck everything nice and neat back to where it was. Alright, let's go ahead and work on this side. Same thing, we got 3 screws, 1, 2, and the other one is going to be right up there. So remove these. And same thing, we're just going to unplug this and the light will pop right out. Alright, same thing with the passenger side. What we're going to do is feed this into the hole again. Make sure the plastic plug is plugged in properly. Alright, finally all we gotta do is plug it in. No business. Return everything back to normal. And put back. Alright, and finally take off the plastic film. Alright, well, we're out here in sunny Southern California over at Turnbull Canyon where I do my spirited driving. Not racing, but spirited driving sometimes. But as you can see, during the middle of the day, they are plenty bright. As you can see, the running light and the brake light really does show even with the smoke color. So take a look.